How do you know when the price of your morning coffee is going to increase? Well, as a trader, we can help you to predict that, but more importantly, also how to trade coffee. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 558. So I want to talk about coffee. How do you know when the price is going up? Because it affects us all every morning when we have a coffee. Well, the obvious answer to me as a trader is to look at your charts. Well, and the beauty is that over the last number of years, that not only have we been able to trade more and more Forex pairs, but we've been able to trade other markets such as like commodities and coffees. So the coffees that I have available on my MT5 platform, there are two of them. There are Kafara, which is the Arabica coffee, and there's Cough Rob, which is the Robusta coffee. We can also trade sugar and raw sugar as well. So all these things combined to see if they're moving up, well, likelihood is the price of your coffee is going to go up, isn't it? But more importantly for me as a trader is I can now trade these markets. And the beauty of the way that I trade and the way that we teach is that the strategy works equally as well across these other non-forex markets, just as well as it does trading the euro US dollar or the pound US dollar or the Aussie yen. We can trade the coffee markets, the sugar markets exactly the same. So that gives us more and more ability to look for the patterns that we're looking for on various charts. Now, I would say one thing that with a lot of those markets like the coffee trades is that they don't all have a 24-hour market, so you do need to be careful of that. And some of them, due to the nature of their market hours and when they open, they can have some gaps. So you do need to be careful of that. They're not quite as perfectly formed as candle patterns than you get on the Forex markets. But just today, being Friday, the 30th of August, when I'm recording this video and podcast for you, I've taken a trade on orange juice. Now, when the market opens, I'll be taking a buy trade on OJ. So you can go and have a look at that on your daily charts. Now, if there's a large gap up or down, then the trade becomes invalid. But right now, as a candle pattern for me, orange juice looks fantastic. Just this week, I've taken trades on different time frame charts on lead, on copper, on aluminium or aluminum if you're in the US, on different markets like that. And so we have the ability to trade those commodities, those metals. We've got a client of ours doing incredibly well trading the NASDAQ on the 1 and 5 minute charts. I don't think it's for everybody, but it just works for him. And he's doing incredibly well and posting trades on our forum site on that. We can trade other markets such as the indices and the commodities. Now, and the cryptos, I should say. And the great thing is with the cryptos is they are 7 days a week. So you don't get those big gaps that you can sometimes get in the commodities. So beauty of this and what I'm saying is we have the ability to trade more and more markets and just gives us more and more really good opportunities and to be able to really fine tune our skills on saying, yeah, we're going to be really selective on trades. We're going to be really critical, very selective because we've got so many markets to choose from. And that's just aiding us to profit from good trade setups. If you'd like to know how we do this and you'd like to book a free consultation call with myself, one of my team, I'm going to put a link to that so you can choose a time to have a chat with us. If you've not been on my masterclass yet, I encourage you to do so. It's only 17 minutes long. It's on demand, so you can choose when you want to start to watch that session. It just gives you an overview of what we do and how we trade and some of the trades we've taken and just some tips there to help you as a trader, whether you're trading coffee or the euro US dollar. If you're out there looking for a good broker, and I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets over in Australia. I use their MT5 platform to have access to a lot of those markets that I've mentioned as well. And I'll put a link to Blueberry as well. Any questions you have, please send me an email or reply here. Send me an email to andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. I personally reply to all of my emails. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you're watching. And I'll see you this time next week. And next week, of course, we'll be into September. And on Monday, we will be posting for our clients trades on the daily charts, the weekly charts, and the monthly charts. So looking forward to that as well. Bye for now.